विघ्नेश्वराय वरदाय सुरप्रियाय लंबोदराय सकलाय जगद्वेताय नागाननाय श्रुतयज्ञविभूषिताय गौरीसुताय गणनाथ नमो नमस्ते. Most welcome my all students in digital class of social science at the Pandit Ramchandra Mishra Memorial Public School, झलवा प्रयागराज. मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, आप सभी का पंडित रामचंद्र मिश्र मेमोरियल पब्लिक स्कूल झलवा प्रयागराज में डिजिटल कक्षा सामाजिक विज्ञान में हम स्वागत करते हैं. माय डियर स्टूडेंट, आई एम टेकिंग टुडे civics first chapter, which name is power sharing. In class 9th, you study about democracy. It is a type of governing system in which rulers elected by the people. It means the real power in hand of people. It means in democracy, power is not centralized in single body, in single hand, or in single institutions. Today our topic is power sharing. Here two words. First power, second sharing. सपोज करें आपसे कहा जाए व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय पावर. आपकी पावर क्या है, आप क्या कर सकते हो, यही आपकी पावर है. जैसे आप बड़े उतावले होके कहते हो ना, मैं देख ले वो, क्या मतलब? इट्स रिप्रेजेंट योर पावर. अभी मैं एक क्वेश्चन आपको दे दूं, आप कहते हो सर आई कैन डू इट. व्हाट इज मीनिंग? यू हैव इनएबिलिटी टू डू of these question, as well as power defined as it is ability to do of something. It means power is main capability of any institution, of any organization, of any government to do of something. Second word share means to divide, distribution, divide in different section, different organ, different level of the government. In our chapter we also focus on the power sharing among the government different level and different organization or institutions. It means किसी चीज़ को समझने के लिए हमें कहीं न कहीं किसी चीज़ का एग्जाम्पल लेना पड़ता है. इन आवर CBSE curriculum, in this power, some case study provided to you. For the case study, we know how can they changed their phenomena, their dimensions, and achieve new ideology, new structural of government, etc. etc. Here, first case study provide to you. एक चीज़ और, our CBSE focused in this session on the case study, means 20% mark awarded or distributed in question papers pattern to the case study. Means our CBSE want to new ideology, new thought, not केवल रटने से कि काम चल जाएगा, नहीं, आपके पास एक नई अपनी खुद की सोच, खुद का विचार होना चाहिए। इसलिए बच्चों केस स्टडी पे ज़्यादा थोड़ा फोकस करिए, ठीक। इससे हमें बहुत चीज़ों को समझने, सुचारू रूप से देखने और उससे क्या रिज़ल्ट आया है वो हमें अपने लाइफ में इम्प्लीमेंट करने में फ़ायदा मिलता है। आइए हम केस हिस्ट्री ऑफ द श्रीलंका पे बात करते हैं। श्रीलंका क्लास 9th में आपने इंडिया साइड लोकेशन देखा, सबसे साउदर्न में मालदीव और श्रीलंका को आपने देखा था। मीन श्रीलंका इज़ आवर नेबरिंग कंट्री, या इन श्रीलंका ethnic composition present, but the word ethnic word signifies social division based on the religion, culture or the other way of the life. Means it's also considered on the behalf of the gender, birthplace, language, etc. Means different basis of the division of society called ethnic, or composition, what is format, क्या क्या मिल करके उसको बना रहा है अपने समाज को। तो इन श्रीलंका बेसिकली हम लोग इसमें बात करेंगे लैंग्वेज और रिलीजन पे। इन श्रीलंका 3 लैंग्वेज मोस्टली यूज्ड फॉर द शेयर देयर व्यूज: सिन्हाला, तमिल and others language, some Christianist, Buddhist, they are adapted of French, English, etc. etc. In Sri Lanka 74% Sinhala speakers and 18% Tamil speaker, and others language speaker only 7%. Sinhala language followers were a religious people. Buddhist and Christian speaker was found in 2 groups. First, Indian Tamils, and second, native Tamils. Indian Tamils percentage is 5% and native Tamils percentage is 13%. Basically, Tamil speaker followers of the Hindu, Muslim and Christian. In other hand, अगर हम यही बात बेल्जियम की करें, in Belgium is a country also. In Belgium, 3 main language used by the people for the expressing to their views in the society: Dutch, French and German. Some people use to mixed language who enable to know more than one language. Mixed language divide on the basis of the language of French. Speakers are near about 80% in Belgium and Dutch speaker in near about 20%. Dutch speakers mainly lived in the region. Their percentile was only 40% on behalf of Sri Lanka and Belgium were full of the ethnic composition. इन दोनों कंट्रियों को हमने देखा, इन दोनों कंट्रियों में हमको दिखा क्या, इथनिक कंपोजिशन मीन्स दे आर डिफर्ड ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द लैंग्वेज and religion to each other. Some groups followers of the specific language and some are followers of the specific language. Some are followers of the specific religion and some are the other religions. Then the power sharing, तो मीन्स पावर शेयरिंग ऑफ द श्रीलंका देखा जाए किस तरीके से श्रीलंका में पावर शेयरिंग था. तो पावर शेयरिंग इन श्रीलंका ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द मेजॉरिटीरिज्म मीन्स बहुलता का बहुलवाद के आधार पे जिनकी संख्या अधिक है, whose speaker more to others, they have centralized to the power. In Sri Lanka, majority of the Sinhala speakers, then Sinhala is in majority. Sinhala is majority after independence of the 1948. श्रीलंका कब इंडिपेंडेंस होता है? 1948 में. And government passed act in the 1956. After of the passing of the government act of 1956 established a Sinhala supremacy. Means Sinhala language is superior to the other language. They are also preferable by the Sri Lankan government. Then after Sinhala recognized as a official language and preferential policy for the applicant of the Sinhala speakers. The applicant who speak to the Sinhala language, they are preferred by the government in the sector of the job in or others. And Buddhism was main religion have power. और जो सिन्हाला के साथ साथ बुद्धिज्म रिलीजन को बौद्ध धर्म को अपनाए हुए थे, उनको उन्होंने क्या किया? पावर में रखा. नेक्स्ट क्लास सेकेंड में हम आपसे बात करते हैं.